It's Friday, so hello everybody. Welcome back to the Sarah Duval Show. So we're getting my wardrobe in today, so that's gonna be fun. It's heavy and it's really humid today, and it rained this morning, and so it's really just bleh outside. But that's what hopefully our plan is today, and we get to babysit Bucky this weekend. I love little Bucky. He's so cute. I'm opening all weekend too. But I ran into a friend yesterday I haven't seen in a bit, and I'm even more determined to change. Alright guys, well, I'll see y'all after work, heading to home to get my wardrobe in. My brain was slowing down there for a second. Alright, see you after work. And just like that, the day is done. And I'm finally going home. But guys, look, it rained. So, there goes getting my wardrobe in, because I don't want to get it in when it's raining. Mother just tried calling me, so I'm going to call her back. But I'm gonna go on home. It's 6 o'clock. Alright. Let's see what's going on at home. There's a review I want to do too. Maybe I could do that tomorrow. Yeah. We'll see. Alright, see y'all at home. You hear the rain? Yeah, I was doing DoorDash. I did three drop-offs all together. Now I'm ready to go home, and my hair got all wet. Now it's loud. I'm not getting my wardrobe in for sure today. Really just, you know, maybe or not, but I feel like I'm doing that. Anyway, I'm almost home, guys. Almost there. I can make it. Everybody, this is what we call a flash flood. See how quickly it's going? Yes, a flash flood is like when it comes along very quickly, and it's like flood-like symptoms. Anyway, I'm home. Now I just gotta make it in without getting too soaked, but I have an umbrella. I have a new favorite treat. Y'all have got to see this. These are amazing. I've never tried these before, but oh my gosh, these are my favorite. Y'all gotta try those. Y'all wanna see Bert? Hang on. Oh. He's my boy. He's my boy. See? He's my little boy. Look. Hey, hello. I love you so much. Can y'all see me? I'm going to bed now. There we go. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow.